Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna take the Python out for a quick couple passes. I did forget my range extender, so we're gonna see how this goes. My garage is in chaos right now, getting the roof replaced, so all my car stuff's buried right now. So yeah, we're gonna take this out. It's a little breezy, but the buggy should be doing all right out here. I got it all hooked up. I got the GPS in there under the body. I do have the SpeedTek RC spool in there, the speed spool, with a 35 tooth pinion. No, 35 tooth spur, 27 tooth pinion, I believe. It's either 25 or 27. Let's see. So it's tracking. See if you guys can read that. Track, start, stop, read, zeroed out, track, start. It's tracking. So we're just gonna give her, this is like a test pass. She can kind of do here. It sounds like she can go up quite a few gears there still. We're just gonna go down a little bit and give it a quick pass. I do have the dual rate turned down right now, so alright, let's see what she's got here. Yeah, maybe that was half. I don't know. It was. I got down there and pulled a little bit farther. So let's see what she says. What she's doing here. All right. Stop. Read. 83 miles an hour. So we'll leave that there. Let's see. Read. See if you guys can see. There you go. 83 miles an hour. So let's go back. Track. See it tracking. There we go. Let's down a little farther. That car's gone. Guy came by, he goes, ah, it's fast. So alright, that's a couple cars going by there. We're good. Let's see what she's got here, guys. I don't have my extender, so I'm kind of, it should go that far without no problems, but I've had issues before, so kind of get a little nervous when it gets a little down the street. All right, I got her. I don't think I got her full speed, but pretty close, I think. There, stop, read. 93, guys, new PB, 93. And I think she got a little bit more in her. She got a little squirrely, but let's check to see how hot this thing is. That was full brakes down there when I got to the bottom. At the end there, that was full brakes on there. Yeah, she's a little warm now. I can hold my hand there pretty long time, so that's fine. That SpeedTek RC fan is working good, guys. You can see a SpeedTek RC. I just have a 6-cell in there. 6-cell, 7 wires. SpeedTek RC spool in there. You can see the gold down there, the JJ Customs edition. You can get it at speedtekrc.com. You also can use a coupon, get 10% off, Kurt's RCs. So yeah, nice. I'm happy with that. We will gear it up a little bit more since it's not it sounds like it can handle a couple more teeth in there. Thinking maybe a 30 tooth, and then go from there. That'll bump it up a 3 more teeth, so should get me close to 100. I'm thinking. I am going to try it one more time with this though to make sure we're accurate, and then go from there, guys. So appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.